Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Beer Magic. Today I will share 3 smoothies recipes with you for losing weight and having clear skin. To get such exciting tips about losing weight, watch this video till end, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to Beer Magic and press the bell icon to get notifications about such videos. So let's see how to prepare these green detox smoothies. This will help you to flush all toxins from your body and lose weight faster. So let's have a look on ingredients first. Here I have taken a handful of fresh spinach, half avocado, a cucumber, some banana, coconut water, chia seeds, and for flavoring I have added some mint and ginger. Now in a blender, take all ingredients. I have taken coconut water here as liquid substance. But if it's not available for you, you can use regular water. Next goes in some spinach as it's a very good source of iron and protein. Cucumber for hydration. Also I am adding avocado here for giving extra creaminess in my smoothies. I am using natural sweetener as banana, but if you want you can use 1 teaspoon of honey. And also I am using mint and ginger for flavoring, and chia seeds for fiber and omega-3 fatty acid. Now cover it and blend it well. Now I am adding some ice cubes for chilling effects, but it's totally optional, and blend it once again. Once it's blended well, let's pour into a jar and the day breakfast is sorted. Next I am going to share the recipe of banana melon smoothies. This is not only the delicious one but high in potassium, low in calories and full of vitamins B and C. Also it is rich in proteins. So let's have a look what are the things we need for this recipe. Here I am using a ripe banana, a cup of masked melon, vanilla flavored Greek yogurt, flax seeds, some orange juice, 4 to 5 almonds and cinnamon powder to add some flavors to it. Now what else? Put everything together in a blender and blend it till it gets smooth, and then your smoothies will be ready. In this recipe, banana is rich in potassium, masked melon is very good source of fiber and antioxidants, Greek yogurt is high in protein and B12, flax seeds is rich in fiber, contains high amount of omega-3 and it's good for skin. Almonds I have added for some crunchiness, and the orange juice. It's an important source of vitamin C. So this smoothie can be a perfect way to start your day. Finally, I'll prepare a pomegranate watermelon smoothies. This one is loaded with all nutrients to boost your energy. For this smoothie, I have used a cup of watermelon, 1 pomegranate, half beetroot, half a glass of coconut water, Greek yogurt, chia seeds and few figs. Now add all these ingredients to your blender and process thoroughly. In this recipe, watermelon will keep you hydrated and pomegranate works well as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Beetroot will give you many nutrients like iron, vitamins, but it's less in calorie. Greek yogurt is a very good source of protein and chia seeds is high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Figs are also a natural sweetener and a very good source of calcium and potassium. Now your pomegranate watermelon smoothie is ready. So enjoy these healthy smoothies anytime in a day. Wish you a good health and cheerful life. So if you like these recipes, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.